Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. So I finally did the Listerine deal. I have been wanting to do this for a while now, but I just hadn't had the time to look into all the details. And so I finally did the Listerine deal at Walgreens, and I'm here to tell you how it worked. I'm going to show you two different ways you can do it. The first way is exactly how I did it. Now, this involves a number of rebates. So these are on promotion at Walgreens. For spend 10, get 5. So you'll get $5 in Walgreens cash if you spend $10 on Listerine. Now, if you spend 20, you'll get 10. If you spend 30, you'll get 15. So for every $10, you will get $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, there's also a couple of rebates. There is a Johnson & Johnson back to school / back to college rebate where you spend $25, you get $10 in a gift card back. Now that was a Visa gift card. And then there is a third promotion for Ace Your Checkup, where they give you points per dollar spent and then you cash out those points to a gift card. So this isn't a super easy deal, but it also wasn't that difficult either. So let me tell you exactly how it worked for me. I got 3 of the 1 liter bottles at $6.49, and I bought 1 of the 500 milliliter at $5.69. That got my total to $25.16. I wanted to be over $25 because I wanted to get that $10 in gift cards back. So I did this as a curbside order, and the only reason I did it as curbside is so I could go through Rakuten and get cash back on Rakuten as well. You could totally do this in store if you want. I just chose to do it curbside because it was convenient and because I would get additional cash back through Rakuten. Now, I spent $25.16. That is what I paid out of pocket. I didn't use any Register Rewards or Walgreens cash. This is just how I did it. I spent $25.16 at the register. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $20. I submitted my receipt to the back to college rebate, and I got $10 in a gift card back. That was a Visa gift card. I did this deal on Sunday. Today is Monday, and I already have that gift card email as approved in my email. And it says it'll take, I want to say I'll pop it up here on the screen. It said it could take a while for it to get mailed to me, but I'll put it up here on the screen when I read the email. I got too excited and I started the video too soon. The other one, the Ace Your Checkup, that one is the one that gives you 100 points per dollar spent. So I spent $25.16, so I'll get, just over 2,500 points for my purchase. Now I can cash that out for a $10 gift card as well. From what I noticed on that website, based on how many points you need to cash out to different gift cards, that 2,500 points would allow me to cash out to either Voodoo or Fandango. Now, if you spent a little bit more, you could get another Visa Rewards card from that. So let me tell you what that scenario would look like, and then I'll answer some questions that I'm sure many of you might have. You could buy the 3 1 liters and 2 of the 500 milliliters. That total would be $30.85. So we're going to get $15 back in Walgreens cash. We'll get $10 back on the back to school, back to college rebate. And then you could do the $10 in a Visa gift card from the Ace Your Rewards rebate. So that ends up being, that scenario, $4.15 moneymaker. The way I did it was a $4.84 moneymaker. Now, a couple of questions. Can you use coupons? Can you use Register Rewards to pay down your balance? I think other people have. I'm always hesitant with rebates like this to use coupons or Register Rewards because I'm afraid they'll say I haven't met my total. Now, that being said, there are other people who have done this and they did not have any issues. I'm only telling you what I know, and I never want to risk it. So I did pay the $25.16 out of pocket, and then I got back the 10 in Walgreens cash right away, the $10 on the back to school rebate, It got approved within 24 hours, and then I'm still waiting on the Acer checkup, and I can drop it down in the comments when I hear from them. But the email did say it could take 2 to 5 business days to hear back. Now, if you've done the deal and it's worked for you, drop me a comment down below. I would love to hear if you used coupons and it worked just fine. I think other people would love to know that as well. If y'all have any questions about this, let me know. Okay, one weird thing. So when I was on the back to college rebate, when I look at like the terms and conditions, which I'm a nerd, so I do that, it says it's for Kroger affiliates. And it was like all these Kroger stores. Well, I thought, oh shoot, I messed this up. I'm not going to be able to get the rebate. But it was already submitted because I didn't see that until today. But that's the one that already got approved. So I guess Walgreens is okay, even though it says Kroger affiliates. I didn't think Walgreens was a Kroger affiliate. I thought they were kind of their own standalone store. The other thing, there is a list on the rebate of participating products, and I did double check mine. So this 1 liter Listerine Cool Mint, the 1 liter Listerine Fresh Burst, the 1 liter... Oh, I got 2 of the Fresh Burst, and then the 500 milliliter of the zero alcohol. All of those were included, but you can find the whole list in the information there on the rebate. I will link both of the rebates down in the comment section below, as well as in the video description box. That way you know exactly where to go, and you can read more details if you have additional questions about the rebates before you go and do the deal at Walgreens. Hope y'all have a great week. Don't forget, I posted a Walgreens video on Sunday, and I posted a CVS video this morning. Today is Monday, so definitely check those videos out for some awesome deals. Thanks.